The Barista Express features an inbuilt cleaning cycle, which should be carried out periodically. The Clean Descale light will automatically flash to indicate when a cleaning cycle is required. To start, insert the 1-cup filter basket into the portafilter, followed by the silicone cleaning disc. Place one cleaning tablet into the center of the cleaning disc. Then insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Before you start the cleaning cycle, make sure the water tank is filled to the max line with cold water, the drip tray is empty, and the machine is turned off. Press the 1-cup and 2-cup buttons simultaneously. Then also press the power button and hold all 3 buttons for 10 seconds. The cleaning cycle will commence and last for approximately 5 minutes. The machine will beep twice once completed. Remove the portafilter and ensure the tablet has completely dissolved. If the tablet has not fully dissolved, repeat the steps until the tablet has dissolved.